Okay, this is the final product from what we designed. The original furnace was in a vertical position, and the new furnace we have reconfigured it to a horizontal position. We did that in order to maximize airflow for this whole new design. Now, let me show you what we have here. Again, for ease of servicing for the mechanic, we have here what is directing what this unit takes care of, and it shows where the master thermostat is, and then also the zoning panels on the wall, which is over here. Now, this is a 97% efficient furnace. It's a two-pipe design. One is the air comes in so the flames will burn. This is also a modulating furnace. It will increase in capacity as needed. That's an Infinity air purifier. We also have an overflow safety pan underneath the entire system. It's custom made just for this unit. We have what's called an overflow safety switch. When this switch senses water, it'll turn the system off to protect from water leaking below the home. You can see this ductwork as it goes on an angle up and an angle down. Now we do that in order to maximize airflow and to get all the air evenly across the coil. The ductwork goes through the wall there and then connects to the existing main ducting. This room in here is conditioned just to make sure that to help efficiencies. We have water piping here which we could not move, so we wanted to make sure we added strapping so nobody inadvertently broke it off. The other furnace that was beside here, we moved it over about 6 to 8 inches to accommodate access to the new